Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular JCB over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll slightly just push this up over here. Slightly just shuffle this up. Looks much better now. Let's go down to this view over here and let's again take a line tool. I'll just create a line tool over here. I'll go over here in this way and I'll just close this shape and let's give an extrude modifier. Slightly reduce this to very less, a bit over here. So slightly just push this in this way. So definitely we'll be putting one loop over here. So let's just put one loop. I'll again go into the edges and let's scale this. So now what I can do over here is like, now so I'll just put a loop over here. We'll just keep it as it is. So I'll again put one more loop over here. That's it. Again go over here. Let's take a line tool over here. So I'll just take a line tool over here, drag it over here in this way. Like this, drag it in this way and close the shape. So once you have closed the shape, again I'll go over here, select the vertices and I'll slightly give a bit of fillet, and again give a bit of fillet over here. So you can just select this part also, and if you want to make this look smooth, you can definitely smoothen it. So before that, I'll again put one loop over here. So select this polygons, slightly give a bit of inset. Okay, we'll do this later on. So till then, just select this and let's again give an extrude modifier. I'll just place it over here in this way. So before we place this element over here, this should be going till here in this way. So shuffle this till here, select this, slightly just push this inside, select this, push this out in this way. So again I'll go over here and I'll put one connect over here if required. I can slightly just push this up, push this over here. So if you see this, this is going to be totally connected. So we need to connect this. So I'll again go over here. Again I'll take a line, has to be going till here. So you can just close the shape. So let's again give an extrude modifier. So we have actually converted it to editable poly. This is actually in continuity. So you need to model this in continuity. So if you make it in continuity, that would be much better. So again select this, slightly just shuffle this up and this way. So select this part, slightly just push this up, and this way. Again go over here, connect it, and let's give some edge loops over here. Select the vertices, slightly if required. You can slightly just push this a bit out and this way. So we are just blocking the details right now. So whatever is there in a hand, we are creating that. Slightly we need to push this inside. So again I'll put one loop, select the polygons and slightly extrude it inside. Again extrude it. So again put one swift loop over here, select the polygons and slightly extrude it out and this way. So we can do such kind of detail over here. So now again let's go over here, take a cylinder, let's create a cylinder over here and reduce the height segments, increase the sides, convert to editable poly, push it inside, scale it, select the polygons, give a bit of inset and slightly extrude it. So again duplicate this, so make a copy of it over here, make again a duplicate, so make a copy of it, this way. So now again we'll be creating a line. Let's create first a cylinder. So let's create a cylinder. So slightly just push this out and reduce the height of it. Okay, much better. So I'll just drag it in this way over here. Select this and this. So very first of all, let's convert to editable poly and let's just attach it. So let's just attach it with this. So select the polygons. Okay. And let's just bridge it. So you can easily just bridge these elements over here. So let's go to the top view, select this and delete this loops. Slightly just increase its thickness. Select the polygons and slightly give inset over here. And isolate this, rotate it. So let's just place it over here, select this and push this over here. So now if you see this, we'll be shuffling it a bit inside and this way. This looks better. Again go down. Now over here again take a line. Let's take a line. Select this. Drag it in this way and close the shell. So pull this out and let's again give an extrude modifier. So let's assign an extrude modifier, select the vertices and let's again go over here, slightly add a bit of fillet. Slightly add a bit of fillet. So let's add a bit of fillet over here. So select this, push this out, convert to poly, scale this, select the polygons, insert it and extrude it out. So shuffle this up over here. So once you're done with this, so select the vertices slightly, just push this up, slightly push this up, shuffle this up, push this up. So save your file again, select this part over here, select this polygons and slightly extrude it inside. Click OK and let's delete this part over here. We'll delete this later on. So first let's model this part. So let's give chamfer. That's not going to work now. So you can assign a turbo smooth if required. That also won't work. You need to assign some connect over here. You can assign one connect and keep on assigning this connect and isolate this. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So as you can see, we are doing the stuff, we are creating the stuff. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.